Hey, I am Lila. Welcome to my channel. So for tonight, I'm packing for an overnight camping trip, and I had this idea that I'll share to you how I usually prepare for an overnight do-it-yourself beach camping trip. So this video will be two parts. So the first part is what I bring for my personal items. So I'll be using this North Face backpack. So I'll fit everything regarding my personal items here. And then the second part will be the camping gear and the cooking gears that you need to bring for an overnight beach camping. So last year, I think my friends and I went to 5 overnight camping trips. So for now, I apologize with the sounds at the background because it's Friday night and there's like video singing, my parents are watching TV, and my room is near the road. So I apologize for the background noise. So for this part, I'll be showing to you all my personal items I bring with me for overnight camping trips. For this particular one, it's a beach camping trip. So last year we went to Atulayan, Burias, Parola Island, Subic, Sorsogon, and then Gubat, Sorsogon. So all of those are just one night overnight trip, or I think we have one which we stayed for 2 nights. So that's the maximum number of nights we stay at the beach. So what I bring with me for my personal items, so of course I have the bag. Then I categorize it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 categories of in my list of personal items that I need to bring. So if you want to know the details, I have my travel checklist. So I'll put the link down below if you want to look into it. I'll update it because it's not updated. I think I posted that several years ago. So I'll update that for you once this video is up. So let's start. Okay, so I'm going to be using this backpack. So the first part of the items I need to bring are my clothing. So my process in packing for clothes is I will think of my activities for that entire trip. So with the activities in mind, or what I will do for the entire trip, so I'll be picking clothes for those particular activities. So for this trip, so we're gonna drive to Atulayan. So I have 4 sets of clothes. So first, the one I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So this one, I'm not gonna show you my underwear, but all of these sets of clothes, of course, obviously, you also need to have your underwear. Okay, so this one, so I'll do this. And then since it's a beach camping trip, so I'll swim. So I'll bring my swimwear. And then after swimming, of course, you need to change. So which I will use for sleeping. So I'll bring my sleeping wear. And then the next morning, so we're gonna go back. So I'll bring my clothes to go home. Okay. Aside from that, of course, I need to bring my flight jacket. So these are the things I will, 4 sets of clothes that I will bring for this overnight trip. Okay. So I usually pack that using a packing cube. So then I'll provide a link for where to buy this online. Okay. I think it's cheap. It's 180 pesos or something. Anyway, aside from that, I also bring with me a pair of sock, and a scarf. So the socks is if it gets cold at night, at least I have something to wear to warm my feet. Okay. And then the scarf. This is a multi-purpose scarf. So I use this as either a headband or a cap or whatever. So it's multi-purpose. Anyway, so you use that. I bring that. This was a gift from my dad. Okay, so the second part are footwear. So since it's a beach, so I'm just gonna bring my slippers and also this one. So for water, walking waterproof shoes. Okay. Third will be sleeping apparels. So I have with me my sarong and then my long scarf, and I think I'm gonna bring this one, my travel pillow. So everything is small and light so that I could fit them in my backpack. Okay. The fourth one is electronics. Okay, so one tip for you guys who loves to travel or who plans on traveling a lot, since I travel a lot. So I have like packed. Oh my god, it's a lot. So pre-packed bags, like small bags. Okay. Ta-da! So it's a lot. So all the things that I need for my travel, I keep it here and then put it in my cabinet, inside my cabinet. And when I have to travel, I just grab all of it and then I take a look at it and then see what I need to bring for my trip. Okay. So the first part would be electronics. Okay, so these are my electronics. Okay, so of course you need your phone, which I'm using. Okay, and then your chargers. So I have the chargers here, and then of course your power banks. Okay, I have 2 because I use a lot of juice. Okay, I need a lot of power, and sometimes in beach camping trip, there's no plug, so there's no power, so you need these a lot. I also bring with me a portable fan because it's a tropical country, it's a beach, it's gonna get hot again if there's no power when we're at a place where you're staying at. You need that. Okay, next, number 5 would be my sleeping apparel, which I've shown to you, and goggles and sunblock. So I have my sunblocks here. Okay. My goggles were borrowed by my sister and she hasn't returned them. So yeah. So I have here 3 sets of sunscreen. So spray, lotion, and then face. Okay, so you need those items. Then, of course, toiletries. I have 3 sets of toiletries. Okay, so this one I always bring when I travel, because I put this inside my hand carry luggage. So or when I travel to Manila, you know, even though I'm staying at my sibling's place, so sometimes while you were in a bus or waiting somewhere, you know, you always need toiletries. So I always carry this with me. So that's it. So everything's here. So again, if you need the complete list, so just click the link down below. Okay. So this is like my hand carry toiletries. So it's with me every time I travel. So all of it are like less than 100 milligrams. Okay. So that it will be allowed inside the plane. So yeah, toiletries. So aside from this one, so the toilet, those which I cannot, since I'm on a beach camping trip, so I'll probably just bring this one, you know. But I'll still check my other toiletry bags if I need to bring some items inside here. But I usually bring this so for long travels abroad where these are not allowed inside the hand carry luggage. So these are check-in luggage. So if I have a check-in luggage, then I can bring stuff from here. Okay. And then we have hygiene and cosmetics. So again, I have a pre-pack for that. So I have two, like one is for like the office and the other one is I carry with me every single day. So this one are like toiletries, no, cosmetics. Okay. So I bring this with me every day. So yeah, this like lip balm, eyeliner, lip cheek tint, face powder, oil control film, etc. Okay, so that's the cosmetics part. And then accessories. So I have shades, like watch, earrings, you know, all that stuff. So yeah, and lastly, bottled water. Okay, so even though we will bring a water jug, so it's also good that you have your own water bottle. So during the road trip, so at least you always have water with you. And also of course you need an insect repellent aside from the sunscreen for against insect bites. No, this is from Australia, given to me by my friend. Shout out to Mel. So actually it was Mel gave it this to Erwan and then Erwan did. Okay, thanks guys. So this is the finished product of my bag, all packed up for the overnight. So yeah, it's this small, the size, half of my body, and it's not that heavy. It's still heavy, probably 5 kilos or something. So just some tips for a beach camping trip. So all the things that are not inside your bag, so I always make sure to no, it's too bright. Yeah, so those like, so I always have these list in my notes of the things that is not inside my bag but I still want to bring, so that tomorrow when we leave I won't forget anything. Also make sure to charge all your electronic gadgets before your trip. So that's why I put them in my list so that I could still bring them even though I'm still charging them, so that tomorrow I won't forget them. Okay, so this is the first part of my personal items that I will bring for an overnight beach camping trip. So stay tuned for the other two parts, the camping gear and the the cooking gears that you need for your do-it-yourself beach camping trip. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and if you wanna see more of this, so don't forget to click subscribe, like, and comment down below for suggestions of what you want me to talk about. So thank you for watching. Bye.